Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. And the first one, what we should do is to check if you have the last software version. So open the application and right here at the bottom we have update firmware. Click on it and check for updates. And it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one and maybe it fix your problem. Also, maybe it's a problem of audio player. So let's say you use Apple Music. Firstly, I recommend it to remove it from the cache and then open it again. Check if it not fix your problem. I also recommend it to update this application to the last version. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and then at the bottom of the charging case we have charging case button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flash red 3 times slowly. 1, 2, 3. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device and forget device. Also, click pair new device on your Android, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list and we can pair with them. Click on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!